everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this was my first attempt on doing my nails at home, my first experiment I would say, but for the first time it turned out pretty good, right? Also, kindly let me know down in the comments if you think I did something wrong or you think I could have done it more better. To begin with the process, I already sized my nails and have already buffed my nail beds and added the base coat. Now I am just adding the glue onto the nail and sticking on my nail beds. I put it under the lamp for like 30 to 60 seconds and I did the same for all the fingers. I would say there's a bit of a learning curve for applying the glue onto the nail because sometimes you just apply a little more. I had a lot of those issues, but I somehow figured it out. Now I'm just buffing my nails to remove the sharp edges. I first applied this nude shaded base coat, and after this I topped it off with a milky white gel because it's not too nude. I wanted it to be like a little dull nude, so I kind of mixed two colors to get my liking. Also, I did not understand it then, but after a week or so of these nails I understood that the nails did not blend with my natural nails. It looked like it was kind of popping off my natural nail beds, so it looked weird near the cuticles. I didn't understand it on that day, but later I did. But these nails lasted me for like 2 weeks, and after that I couldn't look at it. I was just getting irritated by the finishing, so I just removed it after that. But nothing popped off, nothing happened. It was so good. Now after applying my base coats and curing them on all my fingers, I'm using this color palette I got from Shein. You would have seen it on my previous video. If you did not, go watch it. I have got all the beginner friendly products from Shein in a reasonable price, and if you are also a beginner, I think the video will help you out. After I'm done with blending the shades, I just went on with a top coat so that it doesn't spread when I'm doing the 3D nail art on top of this. Now I'm using the solid gel for making this flower. I have made like 5 small balls with the solid gel and I'm placing them like in a flower shape. And now I'm using the sculpting tool to pull in the center, and then I would pull out in the edges, so then it gives that realistic look. All the products I used here are from Shein, so I will be linking my previous video down in the description. You can go check it out if you haven't. Now once I'm done with that, I cured it under the lamp for like 30 to 60 seconds, and then I'm doing these small white dots in the center, and then I did the top coat, and ta-da! We are done. And if you guys have watched all this way, thank you so much. I will see you guys on my next video with my next nail adventure. Until then, bye bye.